Hi guys, I'm Willie,
I'm Nene.
and welcome back to our channel. But yeah, so we're doing like a challenge thing today. So it's okay. You can be in it. But anyway, so what do you want to call this? Try. You want to do it? Try to guess the food from the fridge challenge.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just gonna be random stuff from the fridge. So one person's gonna have. My lips are crusty. I'm sorry.
Okay, I got some Vaseline.
Mm. But anyway, so we're gonna do the challenge, but one person's gonna be blindfolded, and the other person is gonna be going to the fridge picking something.
I can't be blindfolded because I have fake eyelashes on, and these are not getting messed up.
Well then we can just close our eyes then. But yeah, so but yeah,
Here,
so
Vaseline. Here's crusty lips.
okay, so we're gonna be starting now. Yay! So we're of course in my kitchen because for the challenge. Okay, so she's gonna be for the first one going. So close your eyes.
Oh. Didn't know that. Oh, should Oh, now I don't like people looking at my eyes. I feel like everybody looking at me.
Excuse me. This is what I'm doing. See.
I'm only dipping my tongue.
It's right here. Oh no, my phone fell.
Give me the
Sorry. Oh my god. My phone keeps falling and it's
Give me the
giving me
spoon.
earworms. No, I'm supposed to do it.
Okay, let my tongue touch it a little bit. Oh no, I'm scared. I'm scared a little. I don't like this. I like this.
Oh my god, this one isn't a bad one, so calm down. This one isn't a bad one.
Scared.
Okay, so what is it? What did it taste like? Just kidding. Yeah, what's this?
I don't know what that is though.
It's no, it's here. Oh, my turn. Grab a spoon. Grab a spoon.
Good. Almost hit the freaking thing.
Oh my god, I need a straw. The spoons are right here. It's open.
How am I supposed to know spoons are all the way over there? Dang.
Oh, guys, look, I got a new phone. See? The XR.
Okay, close your eyes.
My eyes are closed. I did the makeup. Is it a liquid?
No. This is what he's gonna be having, guys.
I'm scared.
Oh, now you freaking out.
Oh my god.
You wanted to do this. Here.
Oh my god. You scared me.
Okay, close. Open your mouth.
And then probably not tease. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
I didn't think you were gonna guess it, but you did.
You smacked me in the face with it.
You kept moving.
My god, okay.
I'm keeping your spoon instead of dirtying dishes.
Okay, well, third one then.
I didn't think it was bad because it was just like a little powder, you know?
I don't like Parmesan cheese.
I thought you did because you put it on freaking noodles.
I did?
And you put it on spaghetti that one night. When we had spaghetti.
Oh, I don't remember.
That's why I thought you liked it. So that's why I gave it to you.
But anyway, third round. Close your eyes, Mimi. Okay, this is good.
Why do I feel like it's hot sauce?
This is what she's gonna be.
If it's hot sauce or vinegar, I Swear to God. I don't like this. I don't like not having my eyes. I don't like. Okay. You see this?
Oh my god! Oh my god, look!
Nasty butt! Freaking go put that stuff in my mouth! Oh my god!
Oh my goodness!
Oh heck no, it's still in my mouth! Oh heck no!
Oh my god, didn't even turn the water off. I'm dead.
Nasty freaking butt. Now I need some gum because I can taste it. I can still taste it.
I'm out of gum.
I just drunk that stuff and still taste it.
Okay, hurry up. My turn.
You want to do nasty things, do you? You want to do nasty things.
Aw, come here, Daisy.
Put this and shit.
Oh, look at Daisy. This is my dog, Daisy. She's a baby. Just kidding. She's old little. She's like 2.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay.
Get your spoon.
Ah.
You torture me? Okay. I got this.
You can't do the same thing twice, too.
Oh, I'm not.
Okay, I'm just making sure.
What do I want to do? Where is that stuff?
My eyes are closed for no reason. Come here.
No, your eyes are closed for a reason.
And this is Bear.
Keep your
He's
eyes
mean. It's okay.
closed. Okay.
Okay. What?
It says mold in it. I can't give you that.
What is it? What is it then? Because I'll just throw it away. What is that? Oh, ew.
That got to feed you that.
Ew.
I thought I was feeding you something like that. Alright. Freaking editors. Lord. Interesting.
She just ran at the front.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
It's your turn.
Ew.
Hey guys.
Oh.
I'm not really sure what this stuff is. Or what you said.
Okay, so then a jar. That's scary.
When does this stuff come out? Oh Lord. Say ah. Say ah, Noodle.
I'm scared.
I was scared too. Open wide. Come on.
I just had permission.
Guys, we don't want to do the challenge because, people just went,
Okay. Don't slam it.
I'm
please.
not. Open your mouth.
It's spicy. It's spicy. Ew.
I don't know what this is.
Avocado ranch.
Never had it.
It's my mom's. She's nasty. Ugh.
I feel like we should stop this challenge.
Why? It's fun. But we're at our last 2 final rounds, so I'm doing one last one and she's doing one last one.
We should do a
Okay. So the end round is good ones only. So.
Okay, let's do some pickles, guys. Well, don't know why my phone. My eyes are closed. Can't see it.
Okay, I got it. This is what I'm going to be giving her.
Being scared.
These are good ones. What the heck? Okay, come here. You get to come here because you're not in the camera. Okay.
Cherry.
You're all scared.
I just feel weird. People putting things towards my mouth when
Yeah.
my eyes aren't open.
Yeah, But okay, now my turn.
Okay.
Last one.
Right there, okay.
Ew, that avocado ranch is nasty.
Lordy, lordy, lordy. All right. Close your eyes.
This is what I'm going to be giving.
Come here. Hi. Hi. Hi there. Okay, I'm ready. Oh, jeez.
Oh,
That's not hard.
no, it's not. What?
I don't like it.
What do you mean? It's very. What do you mean? It's supposed to be good. I should have started with ice cream, shouldn't I?
Yeah,
I thought it was gonna taste good.
it burned my tongue. Now my tongue's blue. But anyway, guys, so this is our video. We'll be back with another one soon. But once again, I'm Willie,
I mean you.
and we love y'all.
Oh, I'm not doing my peace signs ever again like that.
Oh my god, I gotta stop like your mom said. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But okay, so we love you guys. Thanks for the support.
Actually,
We'll be back. What?
don't speak for me because I don't love these people because I don't know them. I only love my family, and not even all my family.
Oh, fine. We love the support they give. Okay?
Yeah. Thanks.
Bye.